Hi guys, welcome to example. In today's class they have given a sine value of two different angles and they ask us to find the tan to alpha. So for that, usually we know that, okay, first of all I'm going to take tan to alpha, okay. Tan to alpha can be written as tan of what they given alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta, is it? So alpha plus beta, I'm going to add that to alpha minus beta. This beta and beta get cancelled, alpha plus alpha will get 2 alpha. So I'm going to write like this. Now this is in the format of tan A alpha plus beta considered as A plus alpha minus beta considered as B. So now this is in the format of tan of A plus B. So there is a formula for tan A plus B which is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. This is the formula for tan A plus B. Here instead of A we have found alpha plus beta. So just substitute and rewrite the formula. This is alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Therefore the formula becomes tan of alpha plus beta plus tan of alpha minus beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha plus beta into tan alpha minus beta. Okay. Now we know that tan A is equal to tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. This is the another formula. This is also a formula and this is also a formula. Okay. We know that tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Just rewrite this, substitute this formula in above equation and rewrite this equation becomes, which is equal to tan alpha plus beta can be written as sin alpha plus beta divided by cos alpha plus beta, is it? Plus tan alpha minus beta, right? So sorry, here we are going to write, we are going to change the tan as sin by cos, therefore alpha minus beta divided by cos alpha minus beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha plus beta, tan alpha minus beta. Just write that as sin alpha plus beta divided by cos alpha plus beta into sin alpha minus beta divided by cos alpha minus beta. Just keep this as it is. Now what are the values we know already. In question, if we have a glance on the question, so the question is sin alpha plus beta is equal to, they have given a value, and sin alpha minus beta they have given a value, is it? So now we are going to find the value for cos alpha plus beta because tan consists of cos also. So for that first we need to know the relation between cos and sin and cos. So we know the formula, that is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 is the famous relation. Okay. So we know sin, by using sin we can able to find the cos. So cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So what we want? Cos A alone, that is cos alpha plus beta or cos alpha minus beta. So for that the formula was root of here square. Now to remove this root we need to take square on both sides. Therefore the formula is 1 minus sin square A. So now replace A by alpha plus beta. So cos alpha plus beta is equal to root of 1 minus sin square of alpha plus beta. We know the value for sin alpha plus beta, that is 4 by 5. Here that square is there, sin square is there. So now we are going to square that value. Therefore 1 minus 4 by 5 the whole square. Now which is equal to the root of 1 minus 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. Now which is equal to the root of 25 minus 16 divided by 25. 25 minus 16 is equal to 9 divided by 25. So 3 square is 9 and then 25 5 square is 25. Is it? Now I'm going to write this as 3 square divided by 5 square. The square root get cancelled, square root get cancelled. Therefore I get value for this is 3 by 5. Is it? So now we found value for cos alpha plus beta is equal to 3 by 5. Okay. Similarly, we are going to find the value for alpha minus beta. Cos of alpha minus beta, which is equal to the root of 1 minus sin square of alpha minus beta. As we discussed in question, they have given sin alpha minus beta is equal to what? 5 by 30. So just substitute that in the place of this. Therefore, which is equal to the root of 1 minus what they have given? 5 by 13, is it? Therefore 5 by 13 the whole square, which is equal to the root of 5 square is 25 and 13 square is 169, which is equal to the root of 169 minus 25 divided by 169. 169 minus 25 will get 144 divided by 169. We know that 12 square is equal to this 144 and 13 square is equal to 169. Therefore, which is equal to the root of 12 square divided by 13 square. Now we get the answer for this is 12 by 13. Okay. Now we found value for cos alpha minus beta is equal to 12 by 13. Okay. Now we found cos values, and in question itself they have given the sin values. Okay. Now we are going to substitute these four values: sin alpha plus beta, sin alpha plus beta, sin alpha minus beta, and now we have found that cos alpha plus beta was 3 by 5 and cos alpha minus beta is 12 by 13. So we are going to substitute these four value in this. We found a equation, right? That is equal to tan 2 alpha. We are going to substitute in that equation. Okay. Now sin alpha plus beta is equal to nothing but what? 4 by 5 divided by cos alpha plus beta is equal to 3 by 5 plus sin alpha plus beta is equal, sin alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 13 divided by cos alpha minus beta is equal to 12 by 13 and the whole divided by 1 minus sin alpha plus beta 4 by 5, the whole divided by 3 by 5. Similarly, into sin alpha minus beta is 5 by 13, the whole divided by what? 12 by 30. Okay. This 5 and this 5 get cancelled, this 13 and this 13 get cancelled. Similarly, this 5 and this 5 cancel, this 13 get cancelled. Therefore, this equation becomes 4 by 3 plus 5 by 12. 4 by 3 and 5 by 12 divided by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 5 by 12. Okay. Now, what I am going to do is, we are going to simplify this fraction term. So, if you see here 3 and 12, the LCM for these two is what? 12 is common LCM. So, I am going to multiply this with 4 and 4. Then 16 plus into 4 into 4. 16 by 12 plus 5 by 12 divided by 1 minus 4 into 5 is 20 divided by 3 into 12 is 36. Okay. Now I am going to simplify this term, which is equal to 16 plus 5 by 12 divided by, so I am going to take LCM, therefore 16 by 20, 36 by 20 divided by 36. Okay, which is equal to, if I add these two, 21 divided by 12 divided by, if I minus 36 minus 20, that is 16 divided by 36. So it will be like this, it will move up, then what will happen? Then the denominator term get reciprocal, therefore 21 divided by 12 into 36 divided by 16. Okay, 112 is 12, 3 12s are 36. Okay, now 21 into 3 is 63 divided by 1 into 16 is 16. 63 into 16 is the answer for tan 2 alpha. Okay, so while watching this video itself, write down the each and every step which was solved in the problem in the separate note and practice twice or thrice, then you will get the correct answer. Please write the problem each and every step clearly in the note or while solving the problem, then only you can able to avoid the mistakes. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.